Yellow. Welcome back. Where are we? Tell them.
We're in Ljubljana.
We think. Not 100% sure on the pronunciation.
So when we booked this place, it has gone from Ljubljana to Ljub.
Ljub is what we called it most of the time.
Ljub is like the main one. And then I figured out it's Ljubljana. And now we have got here and we have decided once and for all it's Ljubljana.
Ljubljana.
Ljubljana. Not Ljubljana, not blah blah blah. Ljubljana. We got here last night and our apartment is absolutely beautiful. It's so white, it's so big, it's lovely.
Okay, this wasn't the door to the room, so. Look at all this light.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Cool kitchen. Look at that. That has to be a perfect shower. Everywhere we've been, we've had problems with the showers in every single place.
Why is the door covered in styrofoam?
Oh! No way, look at this balcony.
Yeah, that way, yeah.
Wow. How cool is this? Little table chairs.
Well, this is good.
This would not fly back home.
No, not
just
at
a
all.
roof that you could We've been getting blessed with apartments lately because it's a little bit cheaper in Central Europe than on the west side, so we're getting nicer places.
And it's been so nice.
Can't get too used to it though, because Italy and Spain soon will be...
Yeah, Italy probably will not be that lovely. It's been raining here. Right now it's nice and sunny, but last night it poured down, so we got food in. Nacho pizza, Caesar salad. And then this morning we went to one of the free tours that they have in Ljubljana. Ljubljana. The tours are everywhere. Like there was like 7 or 8 groups when we came this morning. But we walked around for about an hour and a half and then made our way up to the castle, which was a beautiful walk.
Wow, so pretty. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. We just finished our walking tour of the city, getting our little intro to the most famous monuments, and now we're hiking up to the castle on top of the hill. 20-minute walk, should be super chill. Lots of greenery, beautiful scenes, quite steep. Yeah, I hope there's stairs. I like stairs better than steep hills, personally. It is just so green. The tour guide was saying that even a couple of days ago it wasn't like this. So the rain has actually been a really great thing for us. It's just green everywhere.
It looks so luscious. Already this place is one of the most beautiful. I know I say that about every single place we go to, but it's so green here and nice.
Just to show that it's beautiful everywhere here, I want to show you what happens to be behind us right now. So come with me.
It looks so nice. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Oh my God. Check this out. Oh, it's so pretty. And look at the green. This is the green that I was talking about. It's everywhere. Just everywhere.
It's so nice.
Fun? This whole Europe trip, we had it planned out so well before we came, up until about 6 or 7 weeks in. All the accommodation booked, all the trains sorted, everything. And then, I don't know why, but we just
There's been this like mystery gap.
Yeah, a mystery gap for ages. And it's what, 2 weeks away now?
Yeah.
And it's still there. So we thought it was about time to try and fill in the gaps. The last place that we actually have booked is Amsterdam again, because we're going to see a concert there. But the problem was that from Amsterdam, it's a long way away from the next places that we wanted to go. So we're going on another flight.
We're going on another flight.
The trains in Spain are notoriously awful and they cost a lot of money in seat reservations. So this flight that we're booking now is actually cheaper than taking trains through Spain, which is ridiculous.
It's
but
crazy.
It is what it is. So we're booking our 4th flight of the trip.
Wow!
And we just wanted to get some cool shots on this rooftop balcony. No.
Keep alive, keep alive. Yeah, we have a rooftop balcony with no railing. And there's no, we just discovered knob on the door. So if it closes.
If this door was to close, we'd be locked out of the apartment and stuck on the roof. I don't know if anyone knows, but it looks like the roof that W2S used to fall off in his YouTube videos. Shout out. Okay, it's too cold, so we're doing the rest of this inside. But cool balcony, hey. Cool rooftop.
Gotta double check every little detail.
Man, if you don't double check, you don't get the best price. Like, now they're trying to charge us in Australian dollars. The little travel tip, always use the local currency. The exchange rate will be better with your bank than what they offer you online. Okay, we're good. Booking confirmed.
There we go. Hell
Trip to Malaga. Ooh, how fancy.
Where the hell is Malaga? I have no idea.
Yeah, we'll figure that out later. And then the rest is a secret. We've already shared way too much information. So.
Yeah, we should not have shared that much, but we'll let you in on a little secret.
A little sneak peek as well.
It is day 2 in Ljubljana. And while the princess sleeps, we need to make her breakfast. Isn't that right?
Hey!
This morning we have some gourmet pizza. And I'm gonna cook it on the pan. But I am so scared of gas cookers. Mountain of 2-minute noodles. Sleeping princess in question.
I'm in the shot.
Yeah, just. All right, we got flame. There you go, sweetness.
Oh, thanks, baby. So many mushrooms. Look at her when there's a little uphill.
Look at it. It's supposed to be a really nice day. And it's dead.
See?
Oh, they can't even see.
It doesn't look so bad now, does it?
It's like this. But anyway, we're super blessed to be here. I have to remember that. But uphill sucks no matter who you are.
We had to go off the beaten path to get here for this beautiful view.
Beautiful lookout. And I don't even think we went off track a bit.
Yeah, this isn't even an actual trail. There's no one around.
We had to go through a lot of shrubs and sticks to get here.
And it's just the most gorgeous view. And the sun came out right when we got here as well.
Lyndon says that there's bears here. I don't believe him, but there's a lot of weird noises in the bush.
Little haunted piece of scary. looks like long jump skiing, you know?
From afar, that looked like huge slides, and we got so excited.
I was so keen. I thought it was potentially abandoned, like a massive slide, like an old water slide or something. I was running to it.
It does not look like it though.
I think it's like long distance ski jumping
So weird.
practice facility. It's so random in the middle of the city park. But it's just so beautiful. Memory box? What was that? Because I can't do it at the moment. Oh, cool. That was cool. La da 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 da.
La la la, horse with no back and a horse with no name.
Wow, just wow.
That was, I don't want to say the most beautiful thing.
That was so beautiful. We've been to the city park in most of the cities we've been to, and they're all gorgeous, but this one is massive, and it really feels like you're in proper nature. It's not a park at all.
Yeah, we didn't really get to explore all of the other ones that we went to, but this one we really took every little random pathway that we could find, and it was really nice.
A whole bunch of like little parks and monuments, statues, little secret shortcuts.
Some random things.
Yeah, lots of random things.
Some really random things.
And now all that's left to do is head to the city centre and enjoy the beautiful streets there.
I want to go and try this famous dessert that Ljubljana has. It's like a dumpling dessert. But everything closes at 3 o'clock apparently, so we're on a time crunch.
Oh my god, look. That's a fast one.
Okay, we just found 2 flying foxes that are side by side, so of course we have to race.
Do I get a 2-second head start or no?
Hell no, not on this.
Okay, fine.
Ready, wait, count it down. Don't cheat.
3,
I'm running up.
2, 1, go!
Oh no! Ooh! How do I lose?
That was a really good game. I wish we had one of them in our backyard. They're so fun.
There'll be one in our future backyard.
True, that's true.
What's going on with this world when Macca's is trying to be bigger? No yellow, no big M. I like missed it. I couldn't even find it. All white. Concrete Macca's. That's crazy.
The water looks absolutely divine.
So good that Izzy thinks they're dying and blue.
Yeah, like it's so blue. Personally, I don't believe that it's natural, but maybe there's like a tad of algae or something. Lyndon wants to hit 16k steps.
No, 20 bomb.
20.
We're doing a 20 bomb.
So we're only like 4,000 steps away from that. So we're gonna hit 20 and then wander on back home and make dinner.
We got a super early train tomorrow.
Yeah, super early, like 7:30 a.m.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, come to Ljubljana if you get the chance.
Ljubljana?
Ljubljana, that's what I'm calling
Ljubljana.
it. Look at this dude, he's loving it. Every time we find a cool place to put the camera like this, I just want to say things just because it looks cool, like the background with the trees and things. But we're running out of things to say.
We are running out of things to say. It's so nice here. I had a feeling that Ljubljana was going to be like beautiful, but it's exceeding my expectations.
I actually had low expectations. I thought since we're going further and further east that it would be kind of like Poland and stuff, like grey and a bit bleak. But it's the complete opposite.
Yeah, it's so green here.
The amount of green is insane. Like, just everywhere, it's just green. Apparently one of the greenest cities in Europe, and I would definitely say so based on what we've seen.
We got lemon and white chocolate vanilla. I'm so excited. We thought these were going to be cold, but they're hot. It's like wonton wrappers, I think, but with cake inside, but I'm actually not too sure. Oh my god, that's hot. That's so good.
How was it?
It was so good. I am so full, and now Lyndon wants to go and keep walking around.
Because my app's glitching out, and it says that I only have like 2,000 steps less than you
Yeah.
when we've done the exact same walking
See,
today.
I'm at 20, so I'm living in the dust. I'm walking straight home.
What does that mean?
That means we should go home.
That means 5:30 or 6?
6.
6?
Mommy, let's go.
Oh.
Let's go.
Alright, we're done for the day. Loaded up for the train tomorrow. My phone finally gave me the 20k.
Yay!
So we're done. It was a beautiful day. We got the best mix of nature and city, and I loved it. Every second of it.
All right, we have made it home.
This city has just continued to surprise me. It is so much more beautiful than I expected. Like I said earlier, Slovenia did not have high expectations for me. I'm not sure why, but definitely should have. Our tour guide yesterday was saying that it wasn't even this green just a couple days ago when she was doing her last tour. So
It's crazy.
once again, we're just getting so blessed with the timing and the weather.
Yeah, and now there is like not a single cloud in the sky. Oh, there is a few over there. But it's so nice.
Oh, the moon's out.
Yeah, you can see the moon as well.
We're just going to enjoy the sunset on this rooftop, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, get away from me.
Oh, I'm putting that in.
I know we already said goodnight, but this just had to be shown. Oh my god, what is that? Wow, it looks kind of good.
It looks fancy, but what is it?
Little leftover salad.
It looks like something that like AI would make.
It's still the AM though, so we should be alright.
AM? What?
Still morning time.
When?
No.
It's 2:30 p.m. What? I don't get it.
Maybe they can't know that we've been lazy all day and haven't only just finished our walk.
Sorry.
They can't know.
Okay.